So you're looking for something fun, unique, and delicious to make for your game day party? Check this out. Now, we like to call this creation the Super Bowl salad. Now, I'm sure that there are other Super Bowl salads out there, but this one is the Super Bowl salad of all Super Bowl salads. It's got some of everything. It's got flavored tortilla chips and a nice black bean football in the middle of the field. This is the epitome of football food art. And even though we call it the Super Bowl salad, you don't have to just make this for the Super Bowl. You can make it for the College Football National Championship, or, I mean, hey, you could even use it for your son's high school football game if you want. It doesn't matter. Anytime, this is a great option. But let's not waste any time. Let's go ahead and roll the tape back and see exactly how we put this play together. Why don't we?
Let's go, boys. Let's go, babe.
So here's our starting lineup. We've got a lot of impact players here that are really going to make this salad a winner. And there's a raucous fan in the crowd. You can tell she's definitely ready for the final product. First, we're going to chop up our lettuce for the salad. Now we want to make sure that this is chopped really well and rinse as needed, because this is going to be our turf for the bowl. We want to have a nice turf. Next up, we're going to chop our red onion. And you want to dice this nice and well. All right, after the red onion, we're going to chop our red bell pepper. Similar to the red onion, dice these nice and well. These will be part of our confetti at the end. Next up is our yellow bell pepper, and this is going to be our uprights for the field. And it'll look really cool at the end. Now, if you notice, the quarterback is really focusing on his accuracy with his cutting, and that's really going to pay off well in the end.
That's it, baby.
All right, now chopping up our second upright. There we go, we got two uprights. Going to use the rest of the yellow bell pepper, dice that up, because we'll use that for confetti as well. Now next, we're going to drain and rinse our black beans using about 1.5 cans. All right, now we're going to make our sweet Chipotle vinaigrette dressing that we are going to pour on to the salad at the end. So we're going to take some grapeseed oil, add about a cup of that, followed by some apple cider vinegar, and then we're going to add 2 Chipotle peppers with some adobo sauce. If you want it hotter, you can easily add more Chipotle peppers. Then we'll add our clove of garlic and some oregano and black pepper. And it looks like the quarterback's calling an audible at the line of scrimmage by adding some garlic powder, as well as a little bit of cumin, and then some smoked paprika. We're finishing this off with some agave, and then a little bit of water just to help thin it out some. Blend together. And then time for a taste test. It's got the consistency, but it needs a little bit more of that adobo sauce, and we're going to add a little bit more agave. Oh yeah, this time that's it. First down, we can move the chains. All right, now we're going to go ahead and build our salad bowl. Go ahead and add your lettuce, spreading it out nice and evenly. And then next we're going to add our chips. Now we're using 2 chip options. We're using the white cheddar organic Doritos, as well as the white cheddar popcorners. All right, now we're going to stack these around the bowl, just like you see here. Really want to make this look nice. It's almost like a crown. You can think of it as kind of like the stands. Nice. All right, next we're going to add our black beans. We're going to mix those up with some sea salt and some garlic powder, just so that they aren't plain Jane. And now we're going to start to build our black bean football in the middle of the field. Adding the black beans, and now we're shaping it out. It's all about technique here. All right, next we're going to add our first dressing, which is this plant-based ranch by Marie's. We're going to use this to outline our football and also add the other design elements, including the stripes as well as the laces. Gotta have the laces. Now it's time to add our goal posts, aka uprights. As you can see, they both fit in nicely. All right, now it's confetti time. Next, we got our vegan cheeses. For this, we're using these shredded cheeses by Violife. Everything in this recipe is vegan minus the chips. You can make this fully vegan just by doing some plain tortilla chips, or you don't have to make this vegan at all. You can use animal products, totally up to you. Next, adding our red onions, and then our red bell pepper. It's really starting to come together. Then we're adding our yellow bell pepper. And you can't have a bowl like this without some good old cilantro, so we're adding that as well. And then finally, some roasted pumpkin seeds, aka pepitas. All right, so now we're gonna add our avocado. Now we're using these to make the tunnels that the players run out of, as you can see here. And there you have it, folks.
That's the way to go, Butterbean!
Now it's time for a good victory lap using our honey chipotle dressing. As you can see, he's really soaking up this victory. He's getting it everywhere, all around. All right, now it's time to really celebrate and try one of these bad boys. Whoa. Now that's what we call a winner, folks. Let's run that back and look at a replay. So as you can see here, he uses the fork to run the dive up the middle. He ran into a few issues with the defense, but then you can see he was able to power through and get it all the way to pay dirt. Now that's what you call the play of the game. This one definitely deserves another roar from the crowd and a bunch of fist pumps.
Nice going! Yeah!
Oh yeah. Well, there you have it, folks. The Super Bowl salad packed full of fun and flavor and nutrition. Now, if you want to check out any of our other plant-based recipes or tips, then click on either of these videos that you see over here on the right, and we'll see you over there. Enjoy the game.